Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set up fingerprint on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone, then scroll down and tap on password and security. And from here, just scroll down and tap on fingerprint. Now just choose the backup screen lock method you like. You can choose between the pattern, the pin, or the password. I will select the pattern. Now from here, just draw your pattern. And once you draw your pattern, just tap on next. Now just draw your pattern one more time to confirm your pattern. Then tap on OK. Now just tap on done. Now from here, just tap on start enrollment. Now just tap on this icon on the screen to set up your fingerprint, just like that. Now, as you can see, fingerprint added. Just tap on done. Now, if you lock the screen of your smartphone, you can see there is the option to enter your fingerprint. Now, if you tap on this icon on the screen, you can open your smartphone by using your fingerprint. And this is how you can set up fingerprint on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.